Hi everyone, my name is Brianna Burnett and my presentation is going to be on German Shepherds. German Shepherds are used as canine dogs, guard dogs for everyday people, in the military. They use them as search dogs and for many other jobs because they are so easy to get along with and they're very smart dogs. My personal experience with German Shepherds is that I have had 3 of them over the last 6 years, and I think that they're all great dogs. They have very different personalities, and they are just one of the best dog breeds I've ever dealt with throughout my life. And they're very intelligent and loyal, and they're super loving towards their owners. So from the left to the right, I have my dogs, and on the left is Grim. He's no longer with us. And in the middle is Reagan. He was my second German Shepherd. And on the right is Salem, and he is my most recent German Shepherd. An overview of what this presentation is going to cover is that German Shepherds are excellent protectors for their owners, and they're very emotional dogs, and they're extremely intelligent. Starting off by addressing the way that they protect their owners, according to the article 10 Things Only German Shepherd Owners Will Understand on the American Kennel Club website, published in November 2020, German Shepherds are natural protectors for their owners. And what this means basically is that their natural instinct is to protect you if you're their owner. And they're going to do their best to not let any harm come your way. They'll guard you when there are strangers around. My shepherd right now, Salem, he is extremely protective over me. And if he doesn't know somebody who's getting near my car or just me out in the open, he will bark at them and just try to protect me to keep them away from me. On the emotional side of things, German Shepherds are very compassionate and they have extremely loving characteristics. They're super friendly and kind dogs. My German Shepherd named Reagan, he is 2 years old, I think now, and he loves everyone. He will jump in the UPS guy trucks. He'll get in the car with anybody. He just loves people. My other 2 weren't necessarily as willing to get in the car or to see new people, but they also still love people. According to the article 10 Reasons to Have a German Shepherd Dog as an Emotional Support Animal, on the Zenodo website published in March 2021, German Shepherds can assist people who need emotional support. So they also make very good emotional support animals as well. German Shepherds are so smart that they catch on to things after only a few tries. They're very obedient, which makes them listen and learn how to do activities very smoothly. These dogs are very smart and they love learning new things because it stimulates them. Because they're so active, they always have to have stimulation and they love to learn. German Shepherds are the most genuine dogs I have ever encountered, and they will truly love you for the entirety of their life. And this is my works cited, and my citations for the pictures are in order, but slide 2 is the only one that uses pictures from the internet, and all the other photos were taken by myself, and they are of my own dogs. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.